Is that a bald spot? I like to think it's not, and it just looks like it is. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be online dorm shopping, and I'm very excited for this because basically if you've seen my dorm planning video, which I will link up here, watch it if you haven't because it might explain some of the things that I'm thinking or talking about in this video. But anyways, if you've seen that, you know that I've been waiting to go dorm shopping for years. Literally since I was in middle school, I've been so excited to finally go dorm shopping. I did go in person for a few days, but I didn't really find what I was looking for most things, so I'm going to be doing a lot of it online today. But I did record a little bit in person when I was shopping, so I'll insert that clip now. Alright, and then now I will get into the actual video. I did write this list right here to make sure that I got everything I was looking for. For the most part, I think I'm going to start on Amazon just because I know how to use Amazon the best and I think it's like the easiest platform. So I'm just going to search dorm and hopefully some stuff will come up. Oh, perfect. These little bedside shelves are definitely something that I need. I have that on my list. Okay, 9 colors as seen on TV. $54.99. $54.99. I thought it'd be $10. I guess these are kind of big. Okay, I am in a lofted bed if you've seen my other video, so I definitely need something like this, but Jesus. I'm not about to pay that much. Okay, maybe this one. Does it come in white? I really want a white one. Okay, these are all so ugly. Maybe I'll just have to find that one in store. Wow, okay, disappointed already, but we'll just search dorm again and go back. I actually want one of those cute little retro fans. That'd be so cute. Okay, here we go. We're getting into some things. I don't have a kitchen, so I can't really get any of the kitchen related stuff. I already have a little bathroom organizer thing. Here's one of the bedside tables for only $34.99, but that is still way more than I feel like I'm willing to. Okay, it does look really nice. Whatever. We'll just add it to my cart. Okay, let's just go down the list. I want reusable storage bags. I'm trying to be more eco-friendly this year, especially because I'm like buying my own things. So I definitely want the reusable storage bags. Okay, this one comes with 12. Is it bad that I want this one because they're less ugly? I don't like the bright colors of the other ones. We'll go with these ones. Oh, my kitten's waking up from her nap. Okay, add to bag or add to cart. Okay, next I need metal straws. Okay, I'm not sure. Ooh, these ones are pretty. They're all like colorful. Ooh, here we go. 12 pack, and they're straight and short and tall. That's perfect. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, add to cart. This is going so well. I really like, every time I've gone like online shopping, pretty much ever, I've never been able to find things fast. Okay. But this is going so well, how pleasant. Okay, I need a little tiny first aid kit. Probably just this one, right? I don't know how to use these things though. Okay. I'm doing so good. Also, sorry about the fact that I say okay so much. Can't really help it. It's just a thing that I do. I almost just said it again, but I won't. Do I want? Okay, I need a laptop case. Sorry about that, we had some technical difficulties, but we are back. Anyways, oh, do you guys want to meet my kitten? Hold on. This is her. She's the cutest, sweetest little baby. Look at her. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. She's so adorable. You're so adorable. She doesn't have a name. Please leave a name in the comments because nothing is good enough because she's just so precious. My other cat doesn't like her at all. But I think they'll start getting along soon, hopefully. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Hopefully you can't hear her for the whole video, but also I don't feel bad because she's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life, so. Alright, while we were having our difficulties, I did end up finding a laptop cover that I like. It is just clear, so I think it'll work out pretty good. It's pretty cheap, $15.99. So I'm going to, oh wait, that color was really cool too. I think I just want a clear one though, because, oh my god. Can you hear her purr? I'm so sorry. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna go with the, do I get white? White could be cool though. White could be really cool. Okay, my computer color, let me show you, is this color. So it's like really pretty and I really like it. But now I don't know if I should have white instead. No, white is $21.99 and I'm broke and cheap. So we're gonna go with the clear one. Glad that helped me solve my... Alright, what is next on the list? Hanging twinkle light. This one's a bestseller. Oh, but that one has a remote. That would be really nice. Okay, we'll see if this one has a remote. Yeah, it doesn't look like it does. Okay, I'm gonna add them to my cart. Really do want leaves too. That is on my list. I need, yeah, 12. Okay, these ones look pretty nice. Are they? Yeah, these are the ones I want, I think. They like hang out. We're just gonna add them to my cart anyways. Alright, a rolling cart. Okay, there's just a white one, but that one is really expensive. I might be able to find one of these in the store, so I think I'm gonna wait. Perfect, desk organizers and accessories. Ugly. That literally looks like something that would be on The Office. I love The Office, I'm just saying it's ugly. Ooh, that would be cool to have like one of those like placemat things if my desk is ugly, which it will be. Something I can just put my planner or whatever I need to put in it. Whatever, we can get that at another time too. Coffee mugs. Coffee mug set of 4, cute. Okay, these are all sets of 6. That's not what I asked for, but it's fine. I want them to be like funny because like my roommate and I are like really good friends, and I think these are so pretty. These are so pretty. Also, the fact that I would have to drink out of this cup and then walk to the bathroom and wash it out in like the sink does kind of suck. I'll add these to my cart and maybe if I don't find any cuter ones, we're definitely getting these. They're very expensive though, but I feel like that's one of those things I would keep for a very long time. I think that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I have 9 things in my cart. I'm gonna buy them later because I'm gonna use Honey and try and see if I can get any any discounts or anything off. But yeah, I got a pretty good haul. I definitely need to go shopping again in person or online shopping again if I can find everything else that I need towards the end. But I'm just very excited to go for school supplies. That's my favorite part about like every school year, is just getting school supplies. So I will try to make that a video for you guys. And yeah, just make sure you check out my dorm room planning video if that helps you with this one. And I mean, you could subscribe to my channel if you wanted to. No pressure, but my kitten thinks you should. Look at it. You'll never see this cute little face again if you don't. That's a guarantee. Look at it. And this is the cutest little face you'll ever see. Look. Anyways, so we will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!